guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the new Descendants, The Rise of Red Bridget doll, and I'm super excited because she's actually my favorite character from the movie, and she also has my favorite looks. I love her looks in the movie, and I would say let's take a closer look at her box. So here it says Disney, Descendants, The Rise of Red. Here we have illustration, a picture of the actress slash the character named Bridget, and the actress is called Ruby Rose Turner, and I love her so much. Then at the back of the box, we have her name Bridget, and it says Young Queen of Hearts. And here we have a little character description. It says bubbly, generous, and sugary sweet, the kind of soul you ever meet. And here it says Disney Descendants, The Rise of Red. And here is a full body illustration slash picture from the actress character Ruby Rose Turner, who is called Bridget in the movie. She's the Young Queen of Hearts. And in the front of the box, it says Bridget, and we have a little picture of a little rose and hearts. Yes, super cute. And at the side of the box, we have little hearts molded on, which is super cute. And I need to say, I absolutely love this doll. She is super gorgeous. I love her pink. I love her outfit. But I would say, let's take this doll out of the box and take a closer look at her. Here she is, out of the packaging. She looks absolutely beautiful, just like in the movie. I absolutely love her outfit. And she also comes with a little accessory, which I'm going to show you first. She comes with this little pink cupcake, which is super cute. I think this is supposed to be the flamingo cupcake she baked in the movie and gave it to all the people to make friends, which was super cute. I love Bridget so much. Now let's take a look at the doll. This doll sadly does not come with a stand. The stand is from my personal collection. She does not fit quite good on the stand. She's a bit too curvy for the stand. This is supposed to be a Barbie stand. If you guys wonder, yes. Okay. I would say let's start with the shoes. She's wearing these red boots. They're super cute. I wish the camera would focus on the shoes. Please. Yes. They have this little heart on the side and on the other side as well. I think they're super cute. They have this little heel on the back. Super cute. And they're a bit more pointy, these shoes. They're not like chunky, but they're pointy in the front, which is super cute, I think. And at the bottom of the shoes, there's no molded detail like most of the Monster High dolls have, because these dolls are also made by Mattel, like the Monster High dolls. She also has these little fishnet tights, which are super cute. I don't know if this fishnet, no, it's actually just normal tights, which is super cute. She has little red hearts on them. And I think they're supposed to be a really light pink or almost white. I don't know, but it's super cute. Then she has this cute skirt, which is just like in the movie. It's multiple layers. Actually, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. They have this little heart on them, printed on. I think it's also supposed to be her cards, like that she has in the movie, which is super cute. It's not printed in the back. There's nothing on there, but in the front, Then we're gonna take a look at her jacket. Her jacket is super cute. It's pink and it has pink ruffles at the end. And on the side, at the other side, she has little flowers printed on. Here are also a different kind of flowers printed on, and she also has pink ruffles at the end of the jacket. Then, if we're taking the jacket off, so this is Bridget without her jacket. This outfit is super cute. It's actually not a skirt. It's a dress. It's sewn together with the top, so it's a dress, not like in the movie. In the movie, she wears a skirt and a top, but I don't mind. It looks super cute. It has these multiple hearts on her chest. Then she also has this super cute bag, which is gold. It has some molded details like this heart, which is also painted. And what else can I see? Oh, it's so hard to identify, but it's super cute. Then she has also this little flower printed on her top. And she has this golden necklace. There's a little heart on the necklace. And she has these poofy sleeves. And she has these white ruffles at the end. I don't know that these are not actually ruffles, but you can assume they're supposed to be ruffles because as you can see at the back of the box right here, she wears this exact outfit, but she also wears the outfit with the jacket in the movie. Yes. So I would say let's take a closer look at her face. So that's her face. She's wearing these dark pink lipstick. She has an open mouth, face mold. She has super cute brown eyes and this bright pink eyeshadow with a little bit of silver on the top, but it's almost not noticeable. Then she has these thick brown eyebrows, which are super cute. I think the face mold was done super well and looks a lot like the actress Ruby Rose Turner. And she also has this pink blush on her cheeks, which is super cute. And let's move on to the hair. Her hair is a light pink and a little bit darker pink shade, which is saran. It's saran hair, but there is a lot of gel in it to keep the curls in place. But I don't mind, just a quick wash and the hair should be fine. And overall, she looks super cute. She also has this little clip in her hair clip, which is also super cute. It's a little heart that are made out of multiple little hearts. That's super cute. And when it goes to hairstyle, she has her hair pulled back with her little hair clip, which is also a rubber band to hold it in place correctly. Yes. And she also has articulation. She can move at the elbow, at the wrist. On the other side, also at the elbow, at the wrist. She also can move her arms up and down onto the side. On the other side, also up and down and to the side. Then she can move at the head. She can sit down. And she also can move at the knees. And that's all for her articulation. So that was it with the review for my Descendants, The Rise of Red Bridget doll. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please leave a like. I hope to see you soon. Bye guys!